Hey, happy Sunday. I know I'm kind of split between that. Sundays are kind of weird for me, simply because it's the day before Monday. But yesterday we had our registration, well, our continued registration process and also testing. So we have two classes already formed between the ages of 6 to 12. Most of those students are reading at level 1. That means they really, particularly the ones above 7 years old, they really, 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 really need our help, which is good. We're not daunted or anything. That's the whole purpose of this exercise. We're gonna spend the rest of next week getting some volunteers in. We're also looking for a counselor, someone on call, just in case we need it, because usually there's some level of I'm not gonna say bad behavior. What I will say is there's gonna be some level of behavior management that is going to be needed. Yes, that's the right term, right? Because learning can be hindered by maybe anxiety or the need for attention, that sort of a thing. So we need to, if that's the case, then we need to identify that. We also did some tests, just a preliminary screening for dyslexia, just in case that's also an issue. So far, none seen, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, uh, we're definitely uh, we're definitely up and running. Also, want to thank you for liking the videos that are associated with this project. Well, all of our videos, but particularly ones that are associated with this project. And also want to definitely remind you to go to our TikTok store. It's J&Mak Shop. So the Mac is MAK. So the letter J and that's the actual and sign, and then Mac MAK, and then the word shop, J&Mak Shop, and that's on TikTok. Anything that you spend there, a portion of that those proceeds will actually go towards material and other resources. Particularly, one of the things that I'm particularly concerned about is essentially most people are going to be coming as are going to be participating in this project as an after school program. So imagine them coming from the normal school and then coming to us. So we're definitely gonna need snacks and all that good stuff. Nobody learns on an empty stomach. So I'm particularly concerned about that. So please go to the J&Mak Shop. Also, too, we have started a GoFundMe. I'm going to put up that video and link it to this one. So look out for that. They're both going up at the same time. We really appreciate your response. Our online response has been great. Also to the response in the community, that's also been great. People have been very receptive. We're just gonna have to keep on keeping on. The adults are definitely going to be the hardest one to drag out. Um, the whole story, pride. But we're definitely working on that. I'm sure that we'll crack it. So because we just need to gain their trust. But so far so good. Everything is going as planned. Our curriculum is already developed. The length of our programs and everything else. So we just need everybody's or everyone's help in keeping this project afloat. All right, thank you once again. Have a happy Sunday. Hope it's all rice and peas and chicken. All right, take care. Love, respect, and be peaceful.